Hey baby dolls, I still have the Saint Rita candle burning for us. We are in very, very dark times for crypto. It has been nothing short of a disaster for everybody. I do feel for everybody. Myself, we're all in this together. It is a horror show. Most altcoins are down 40% in the past 23 days after barely rallying at all, most of them. It's very unfortunate as well. This is the worst Bitcoin cycle of all time. It's not even close. And you have all the charts to prove it as well. For example, this is the others BTC chart, which is right here. This is the ratio, friends. And you can see something interesting. It did a higher low in the first. So in 2016, right, this is the Ethereum cycle. It did a higher low here. As I'm seeing these, it made a higher low. Then in 2020, it did like another higher low, right? Now, unfortunately, it's actually broken the low. Now, I think it really is forming a bottom, but it's just showing you how disastrous it is because there's no floor. It's literally, basically, it's another way of saying you have been holding longer than previous cycle people, and you are punished more for it, which is very sad. I can reiterate to you that Jim Cramer is bullish. Jim Cramer is bearish, friends, which is bullish for us. Jim Cramer is bearish. He goes, we aren't oversold enough yet for a real bounce. So I can bring that news here to you. This candle's going to keep burning for us. It is very frustrating as well because Ethereum, friends, went down to $2,100. And as you can see, right, Ethereum in its past, it hit here and here and here, 2,100, right? So it hit those points. And yeah, it's hurting. Why? Because Ethereum was around this price back in July of 2022. That was Luna collapsed, 3 Arrows collapsed. That was Celsius collapsing. Bitcoin was $20,000. There was no Bitcoin ETF. There was no Ethereum ETF. There was nothing. You did not even know Rocca Negra was buying down here. And the price was $2,000. And now we've actually come back to revisit it. I think that's vomit inducing. That's disgusting. Like you basically, we know, friends, could be like jump trading, whoever it is, Japan, carry trade. But it's just showing you how dark and disastrous this is because the market is saying you've gained nothing for the past 2.5 years. Your ETFs are worth nothing. The Ethereum ETF is not an achievement. That's what the market's saying. You've built nothing in the past 2-3 years. Your layer 2 scaling, every other coin, every other community joining in crypto, you're basically worth nothing. It's a stab in the heart, I'll be honest. It really is a stab in the heart. But, you know, as technical analysis goes, they do say, right, this resistance hopefully becomes support right here. Hopefully this does become support. And we start to at least exhibit some sort of green candle action. It's been horrific all around, right? You also have us moving down to 1 minute charts for Ethereum. It's what else can you really do at this point? Yes, it's sad. All I can say really is, friends, this is markets, man. This is markets. Not saying, oh wow, aren't they great? Like it's satire, it's irony. It's disgusting. I'm hoping that I'm hoping you can see my mood where I'm like, man, I don't want to be funny. You know what I mean? No, I can. You know, we can be funny. But like I don't want. It's not in me now. Just because you're defeated. And maybe you're thinking, wow, man, that's an oscillator. Like if my friend Sommi was an RSI reading, he's like at a 2 out of 100 right now. Yeah, I am a 2 out of 100. That's like, you know, the cheapest ever. But I'm not. It's not just hurting me. I'm thinking about you. Thinking about everybody that's got their dreams in here. They really do. They've worked really, really, really hard to have here, and then you get this disgusting. They step on your throat, man. Everything here steps on your throat. There's volatility. See, friends, let me tell you something, okay? When people say, oh, don't worry, up only and stuff, it happened last time. Yeah, man, look. Zombie virus in 2020, okay, that was a 50% wipeout in a day. That was disgusting, okay? We've had similar now, okay, in the rest of altcoins, okay? But in zombie virus times, all right, yeah, it was really, really, really bad. It was worse than this. However, the government came out and said we're printing infinite. And then you did get an up-only bull market for 12 months. You did. You don't know that right now, okay? And by the way, you didn't feel good after the zombie virus. You didn't know you were going to get an up-only bull market, but you don't know that right now. we're diminishing. We know everything's diminishing. There's dispersion everywhere. It's tough. I know. So where do you really go from here? I mean, it's just, I know everyone's feeling the pain, friends. Crypto banter. The worst day since the crypto bear market. It's still coming. Didn't he say all-time high this week? And everyone's upset. I know, man. Everyone's all over the place. Yeah. In these times, you can't force anything. You do have to wait. I know. You're like, well, what do you mean wait, man? We've been waiting 3.5 years. I know, friends. That's why you're just going off these magical fractals. Yeah, I wish this others BTC was not freaking cratering down here and doing that. That sucks. But yeah, at this point, you just have to do the best to stay positive, friends. We're going to make it. Catch you soon.